This conference will now be recorded.
Yes, Sonal, you install Jupyter Notebook.
Yeah, I installed it, but there was some error, so I'm again installing it. So it's in process.
It's simple, it's initialize. And this is a Jupyter. And here we have Notepad, okay. So this is my folder. Yesterday we talked about concatenation and operators, flow. So yeah, Shubham joining. Talk about a different type of loop and if condition. Is that none? It did not allow you to enter into the loop. Then we talk about if condition. Then we talk about if else condition. We talk about nested loop, LF. Okay. We talk about the for loop if you're talking about list, tuple, set, dictionary. So we use for or while loop. And we talk about start, stop, step. What is the argument you can pass in the range? You have option. For loop with else. Talk about for loop else. We talk about for if else condition. Okay. We have a case today. I guess I gave some assignment, you guys. Did you get the chance to work on? Yes, Surya.
Which assignment, sir?
Oh.
I practice which for loop and big if else condition.
Okay, you get into the for loop block referred.
And if else.
Okay, Sonal, Shubham is connecting. Surya.
He's not taking phone.
Okay. Yes, Sonal. Any practice for today's session? I mean, till what we have done. Okay, write on the assignment. Write the prime number. Write on the assignment,
Hello?
please. Yes, Sonal.
Yeah, I have practiced on the booleans and operators, and after that, little bit time I spent on the if else loop.
Okay, write down. Write down. Find out the prime number, even case, even number, odd number. Yeah, please. Even number, odd number, pyramid. Pyramid, you know. This is all your assignment for Sunday, and we'll the Monday we will see. Sridhar,
Okay.
anything from your end?
Yeah, I'm okay. Actually, Monday I'll get my laptop anyhow. I'll do the installation. Yeah, if at all laptop having any issues, I'll do it in the notebook. I'll send back.
Okay, so hope you have written the assignment.
Yeah, the prime number and even number using the while statement, right?
When even number, odd number,
Prime
your
number,
pyramid, yeah, pyramid.
pyramid. Using the for or while, right?
Yeah, anything. If else, what you feel comfortable, you can.
Okay, fine. Yeah, fine.
Okay. Let's move to the
Okay.
next topic. Mm, please do not take Google search and do it. First, try it yourself. It's easy. The more you take the attempt, you'll get the more clarity. The concept will be more clear. Okay. So today we'll learn the while loop. We have multiple cases for while loop. Okay. So x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Taken one case. So first we'll talk about the break statement. Okay. What is the break statement? I believe this is clear for you. So what is the break statement? I guess I'm skipping the while loop in this. Continue. Okay. Print want to print number in Python. Stop operation. Okay. So while listening into this. While loops and using while. Okay. So the while loop. The syntax is, this is the syntax. The while loop in Python is used to iterate over a block of a code as long as the expression condition is true. Okay. So the syntax is simple, a while and the text expression, what the loop you will write it there with the colon. So body of the while code, while loop, case 1. Let me just copy. Okay. Val 1, and you write this series product is 0 and index is 0. So while index is less than length of val1. So I will check the length. What is the length of val1? So you can write it val length and bracket val1. So what is the length of the val1? Till this loop will continue. So this is the condition. This is the text expression. Okay. So whenever the condition is true, product will get multiplied with val1 and index. Index is 0. So index 0, what we are getting? 1. And then index will get integrated. Just be online, guys. Just be online. Yep. So whenever the condition true, index will get incremented by 1. Okay. So print product is, and then product value, it will print it. Okay. Can anyone write me the flow? Yes, Surya. What output will print? I believe I can expect you. The flow of the code, you can read and assume what can be the output. Yes, Sri?
Yeah.
Yeah, please. One into two, two into three, three into four, 5, 6. This is how the value will calculate it. But what if I want to print every product value? What the changes I have to do it in my code? If I want to see every value, whatever the product value is coming here, I want to see that value. Can you help me?
After this product equals to value 1, we need to print the product actually.
All right. So what if I write it directly this? Let's see.
Yeah, do the same.
So this is the indentation, guys. You see that? Because
Yeah,
this, when I was writing this,
it is a end of while loop.
this is not in while loop. Once it come out from the while loop, it print. So you can understand the importance of indentation. Clear? Right. So this is the case of one. Let me just get it. Okay, let me write this into my loop. So if you want to add here, um, so this is what condition is true. Okay, now the case 2, can you read this loop? Okay, val 1 2 3 4 5 index while level value 1 index plus 1. So what it will print, guys? Yep. Three. Try the
It
next
will
case.
print 7. It will print 720 and it will go to else statement. No data is available.
Okay. Can you write me in the chat? What?
Yeah.
Please write me in the chat, please.
Just mention as in no data available.
No data available. Why? There's a one print is there, Sri.
Okay, I missed it. Sorry. I'll check. 1 minute.
Yes. Same for everyone, please. Yes, please. Simple. It is printing the indexing, guys. As simple as it is.
It will print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then no data available.
The index value of val1, val10, what it is coming? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
Else print no data available.
Is it? Yeah.
Okay.
It is correct. I send you in chat.
Yeah. It will be coming. Guys, I'm expecting from everyone, please. Sonal, Surya.
Yeah, sir, I was get confused due to here after print there is index plus or is equal to 1. Why it
This
is
is
written?
okay. This is a shorthand. This means index will keep incrementing. Index is 0, increment by 1. So it will become index will become 1. Then 2, 3, 4, 5.
Acha,
Okay.
okay.
If you have okay, let me just. If even you are not clear what is print, what is happening with index. Okay, it is coming continuously. Print. What I will do, Sri? Tell me. It's not look good, right? Yes.
Yes.
Anyone can suggest me? Notes look good.
Yes, it looks good, right? Output. No data is available. Fine.
So, or you can just write it. Index value. If you want to, I believe we have, right? Okay. Let's work. Looks good.
Sir, we can't see the screen.
Oh, my
In
mistake.
screen, the screen is got stuck, I guess.
It's fine.
Yeah.
I add this simple. I add this. If I'm not writing this, then it will give you like this.
Mhm.
If I make it, then it will. So you have the code. You should know how to play, how to how to decorate your output. Okay, so it look more transparent. So anything which is coming in your mind, please. That is what the interesting part. You're not learning this. You're learning what you have learned already, and you're implementing to check if you have any not if you're not clear with the code, you just print it and check it. Right, guys? I believe you know this print. I believe you have learned this. Fine, Surya?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
All right. Sonal, is that clear?
No, sir. Due to the connectivity issue, I rejoined just now. So can you please explain the previous part?
It's simple, nothing big deal. This is a list, this is an index, this is a value condition, and it will print accordingly. Print the index, and it will print the index value as well. Okay. Sum is on top. All right. Sonal? Okay.
It means that as per the list,
Sorry. Yeah, please go ahead.
as per the list containing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values, it mentioning the integer what is present in the list. As the index value is 1, the value is 1. Index value is
Index is 0, right? So in what is the 0 position? Tell me in this. What is the 0 position here?
1.
1. What is 0 position is not. On 0 position, 1 value is coming, right? So
Yes.
printing 1. Simple. So
Okay.
indexing, and there the index incremented. If I make increment by 2, what it will give output?
Index.
0, 2, then it will print 3, then it will 5, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Right? So
Okay.
again,
So
guys, that is
after the 5, it will display the no data available.
yes, because there is no data element is available into that. So condition is false, it will jump.
Yeah.
That is why I always say in session, if you are having a machine, you can just check what anything is coming in your mind. You're on a different set of mind, right? So anything which is coming in your
Yeah.
mind, just check it and see. Many questions, many things can come. What if I add this? What else? If I put if else in this condition? Possible. So you can implement all your what you have learned till now. You can implement all the things in a one simple example, guys. Not required. So it's not matter how many code, how many case you have done. It's all about what are the things you have learned till now in a one case you can implement that. That's the beauty. Okay, let's move. Case 1, case 2, and then case 3. Find prime number. Okay, here I will ask, I will not explain because this is what your assignment. Here I will ask a user, hey user, give me this input and I will tell you whether it is a prime number or not. So I will ask you people, okay? I believe you guys know the concept of prime number, guys.
Yes.
Yeah, tell me your number, Trey.
Yes.
Yes, Trey, tell me your
5.
number. 5. Yeah, one by one. So Surya said 5 is a prime number.
7,
All right. Okay, let me
7,
go ahead.
11, 13,
7. No,
7, 11.
I given only one number, Sri.
Okay.
If you want to give
Okay.
multiple number, you know that format, right? And I have written
Yeah, yeah.
already it should be in teaser. So I'm asking only one number here. 7. 7. Okay, something did I wrong. Um, see here, it was something wrong here. So what happened? Mm, mm, mm. What I did wrong. Mm. Okay, one twist. You see that everything is fine, but still the code is not running, guys. So don't get panic. See here, I'm trying to run this, but still not running. It was running and I make some changes. Now what happened here? Sometimes the kernel of this is not the problem of your code and everything is fine, but still it is not running. So don't get panic. This is the sometimes the problem with the Jupyter. The code could not reach to the kernel, and it happens. So do one thing, just go and write run on. Okay. Mm, Still, I guess let me. What's problem? Why is it not running? Okay. Let me cut this. Let me try it again. What's wrong? Something weird. So see, this kernel issue happen. No kernel. My goodness. Okay. Just give me some time. So while look. All right, yes. So, okay. You see that? So it happened if sometimes, guys. It's very simple. Run all. It's still not working. Just close and start it again. So you said Sri 7, right?
Yes.
7 is a prime number. Yes, Sonal, tell me your number. Sonal, your number.
11, and I get output as a prime number.
Let's take not
11
the
and
prime
output get it as prime number.
number. Hey, is a prime number, right? It's not a prime number. You see that? I given 12. 12 divisible by 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, 6 and all that. I want this kind of info. Means the more info you give me the output, I get more clarity. So just keep in mind, okay, don't directly print me. If it is divisible, then what are the number divisible in my code? You can see that. Okay. So I'm not going to tell you about this part. You have to write the prime number with your case now. Okay, so this is all about the while case. That's it. So nothing, same like we have. All right. Now break statement. So what is the break statement? So see here. We learn one statement, what? None, which does not allow to enter into the loop. You can do it intentionally if you do not want allow any user into the loop, no matter the condition is true or false. Of course, if the condition is true, only that it will get into. So now we have another statement that's called break. What exactly the break is all about? X is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. For data n, if data equal to 4, what? If data equal to 4, if condition match, then break, and no number not available. So it's saying that as soon the condition, if the condition match, break the statement. Don't go to for the next loop. In real time, what do you think where it will work? You have a database and you're finding one ID number. This is all the passport number, right? This is all the passport number, let's say. You have a database, you do the search, right?
Yes.
So let's say this is your passport number. So you write it, hey, I'm searching for this passport number. You can put in user input condition as well. User input condition as well. So give your passport number. As soon this condition match, it will stop and say, yeah, whatever you want to print, you can do that. So break is used for that. Clear, guys? So here I'm printing whatever the condition is not matching. If condition not false, the interesting part here, if the condition is false, then it get into the loop. Interesting part. And if the condition is true, then it. So it's very tricky. Basically, in an interview, they ask you the question. And many times people get confused as well. Every if condition works on when the condition is true. But this is the condition where the condition is false. When the condition is false, then get into the loop. And if the condition is true, that come out from the loop. All right, guys.
If I
Break is
mention
clear.
data equals, if I mention data equals to 1 over there, then it will goes to else statement.
Yep.
1 1, because starting itself instead of 2, if I 1, it's
Yeah.
no data equals to 1.
Data equal to.
Yeah,
If you want
equals to 1.
equal to is not the sign. I believe we have learned this sign part before as well. Right? Equal to.
Compare.
Right? If
Yeah.
it match, equal to means you're assigning, you're initializing the value tree. All
Yeah.
right. If you want to check match the condition, equal to works for that. And many more conditions are available here itself. You can try this one. I have not covered this. I asked you guys to cover this. So if you're still not clear with all this, please do the practice. It's all about the practice, nothing else is concept. Prime number, okay. So, okay. See here, I have given you the assignment operator. Please work onto this. If you are getting confused again, please work on this operator. That's very, very important. Fine, Sri?
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
It's more into practice. All right, guys.
Okay.
While break statement case 2. What say the case 2? What case 2 say? So I'm getting the prime number using the break statement. What is the use of, you tell me please. Okay, I will not show you the output. You tell me what is the use of break in prime number.
Yeah, we can see the prime number from maximum to minimum. If you want to break 1 to 100, how many prime
In the
numbers?
previous condition I show you, it show me all the loop. So it takes time, right? If you return a number, 10,000, 12,000, right? It keep checking all the loop. Okay, divisible by 2, 3, 4, 6, X, Y, 9, 9, 2, and all, right? Right. It will check all the number, which is
Yes.
taking too much time. So why you will in your calc you will not wait for this, right? If the loop will continue going on, keep taking your time. So write the break statement. Hey, as soon it is divisible from another number, just break that. See here. As soon if it is divisible, prime number is what? Divisible by itself and 1, right? As soon if you find it is divisible by any other number, you break that. Don't go and check other condition. So write enter. Okay. Give me a number 8. If you write 1,000 means what? It keep checking, then loop has been there, right? You see that taking time. You understand this? See that it's taking time. It's a very big number.
Yes.
So what will happen? So you say that, hey, you see that, you see that. So in the memory, it is taking too much. It's more into cost optimization. It is taking time, and IO operation is too much. So why you're giving this much number? Why you're taking this much time? You see that output was not coming for that big number. So simple, say enter the 9 number, 9 is divisible. As soon it is divisible by the first number, it will come out from the loop and say, hey, this number is not a prime number. Simple. Why you going? Why you checking this? Let me try here. You see? You see, right?
It's coming. Yeah, it's coming.
It's coming. Keep coming. So the backend is taking too much storage, too much memory, too much computation. Right, guys? Hope you're clear. You see that? Big number, as soon the number is getting bigger, it is taking too much time. So these things are not recommended. You see that? This is not recommended. I will stop this. Okay, I will stop this. And you see that if you're because it is running on a single machine, it start misbehaving. I'm again running line, it start showing this problem. We may be that it is not getting the computation memory. So you can use the break statement for this. Hope it's clear. Yes, Sonal. Can I get a quick response, guys?
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you,
Yes.
Sonal. From everyone, guys, please, because this is very important concept. A simple thing, but in future you have to use all this concept, and you can see you have to just keep in mind. I have to get more optimized result. So let's Sonal write the code and Suryakant write the code. So which output is giving the fast result? Sonal, you written that one 10-digit number, and I'm waiting for that. And while Surya, you just write the break statement in a simple start. I get the output. I come to know. I don't want. If I want to know what are the other divisible number, then it's better to go with. But unnecessary. Why should I wait for that? Okay. All right. So here you can see the two interesting thing you see. None which do not allow to get into the loop. Break. If the condition is false, it will allow to enter into the loop. And if the condition is not, it's true, it will break the loop. All right, guys, don't allow to get in the loop no matter condition is true or false. We have one more condition, continue, we'll see. Break, it come out from the loop once condition is true. Else it will execute. All right. So this size, see, it's unsaved. Control is sometimes it takes automatically, but please before closing that, if you're making a changes, just check that it happen automatically, but sometimes not happen. So you have to control S. Okay. Continue statement. What is continuous statement, guys? Let's see this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For num in X, I taken this. Anyone can tell me what is all about? Yes, Surya. I guess yesterday you asked me this question.
Yeah, it's divided by 2. Mod
Any number which is divided by 2, the
is equal
condition
to
will
true.
true. Exactly. So what is the continue condition? One, two, three, four, five, all. 1 is not condition, 3 is not. So it's this condition is for the even number, right? Why even the odd number is printing? Anyone can tell me? Yes, please. Because of the statement case.
Condition continue. Yeah.
Exactly. So it's say when the condition is false, please go ahead. So continue statement only allow false condition to process as per the body of the code after continue statement. What was that? It is, you see that. So it allowed to enter the false condition. So something opposite means which is not, which is false is true, which is true is false. Don't get confused, guys. One condition is false. Okay, continue statement, let enter.
Yes.
2 condition is true, don't enter. So
Correct.
something which you make it something
Opposite.
unfair for anyone, you can use this kind of loop. So you can play accordingly, some unethical way. It's unethical coding. Right? Yes, Sonal, Sri. She is in 5 minutes, will come back. Sonal is clear? Yes, guys.
Yeah, sir, clear.
Yes, sir. Kind of.
None do not allow no matter condition true or false in the
True
loop.
or false. Continue.
Only it allowed to the false condition to
On
loop.
false condition.
Break is what? If the condition it come out from the
Condition
loop,
is
if the
true.
condition is true.
Yes.
In real time you understand. So it's all right. Little confusing, okay, but yes, interesting. All right. If you want to print only even number, then You want to print using the continue statement. If you want to print even number, please tell me. The continue statement say what? If the condition is false, then it execute this. If not, if true, does not execute. Okay, so this is the output I'm having. All right. What if I want to print all the even number? What and continue must be there as well. This statement must be there. What changes? What I should put? Please tell me.
Here mod is double equal to 1.
No, I do not. Okay, double equal to 1. Okay, interesting.
Yes.
Useful.
Yeah.
But if I want to make it 0, then I don't want to make any changes here. I don't want to make changes here and here this as well. I want to print all the even number here then. That's smart. You written here 1. All the even number. You just write this statement here. You write this statement here, right? After continue, don't print it. So when it comes from which number you read it. So 2 and 4, right?
Yes.
2 and 4
Yes.
comes,
We will
which not
print before.
allowed to continue from this, right? Which not allow. You got my point. This statement, this number which is not allow to pass from this continue. That's why the other number is not come 3 and 5, because it allowed to continue. When it come in 3 and 5, which is come here, it said that nothing is written here, so it will not execute, it will not print. This 2 number does not allow to get inside, but get this 2 number print here, so it is printing the number. Clear?
Yes, clear.
Okay, I'm giving you 5 minutes. Write one case from break, none, and continue. Sri, is that clear? Hello?
I saw the coding.
Yeah. So give me a one example, write none, continue, and break, and something interesting in real time. Yes. Take your time, please. Yes, please. I'm just putting myself in mute. Take your time. I'll come back in 5 minutes. Yes, Sonal. Overval and Python value. You run this command, Sonal.
Um, Hello, sir.
Sorry. Yeah, Sonal, tell me.
Not getting any output, so that's why I texted you.
Sorry. Check that flow. Why you're
It's
not
not
getting the output?
taking the. It's not taking the syntax, man. I mean, it's not taking that statement.
Okay.
Yeah.
Using Jupyter?
No, co-calc.
I'm not sure. Okay, let me execute. For val in Python. What do you mean for val in Python?
For value.
Yeah, I understand. In Python, what do you mean by this? What
Python,
is
I take it
Python?
as a data word, like we take as list as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I taken that as a Python. So if value equals to, for first iteration, it will run, and the condition will be true, that it is a P word. So it will execute it P.
How it will
Again, the
know?
second
Okay.
iteration for Y, it also true. So it will display Y. So up to the letter O, it will run,
How it will iterate?
and for
Sonal,
the
how
O
it will
later it will
iterate?
stop, I think.
Sonal, how it will iterate Python?
Mhm. I didn't understood what are you saying.
I'm saying for val in Python you have written how it will iterate. How it will iterate Python? Have you written the Python in any list or something? Anyways, you have to work more onto this. Yes, guys,
No.
another Shri, work onto this.
Okay, so I have not assigned that Python word, you mean?
That is what I'm saying. How it will iterate the Python? That's first question. Take your time. You need to work more onto this. Yes, Shri, Surya.
I wrote it in the notepad. I'm typing in chat.
Yes, Surya, is that done? 2 minutes, guys, more.
Yes, sir.
Sonal, you can write. First, install the Jupyter and run this. Write this in the homework. Break, continue, and it should be meaningful code. Okay.
Okay.
Num is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next. Okay, please write on
Right.
this assignment, guys. Okay, no problem. Write on this assignment. Break statement and none. Write a program and it should be meaningful and try to use more concept what you have learned till now. Fine, Surya? Surya, you there?
Yeah, yes, sir. I will do that.
Okay, that's great.
Yes.
So that's all up for today's session, guys. You can get the video of today and yesterday itself on LMS.
Varma,
Okay.
I send you one code. Is it?
Yeah,
It will
you
work
can.
fine.
If okay, there are 2 minutes splits. Num is equal to 1,
I
2, 3.
took
If
a value
num
as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I used as
no, no, no.
a and
Okay, or num is equal to 5. Okay, looks good. Continue.
I think
Print
it
test.
it will ignore the value either 3 and 5 if it is in the subset. So 1, 2, 4 it will print final, I guess.
Okay, looks good. So do it on your machine. I believe by Monday you'll be doing on your machine
Sure.
and you will check all the condition what you have,
Yeah.
and then we'll see more.
Yeah, I had to do
We'll
it.
talk more about the cases.
Yeah,
So
sure.
okay, happy weekend, guys. Stay healthy and safe. Take care. Good night.
Thanks. Thanks, I wish you the same. Thanks,
Good
everyone.
night. Good night.